Another early morning. It's a cold one today. This cold start's about to be loud. And we're gonna scare this guy in the Corvette today too. Now you've seen it, but you haven't seen it cammed.
I haven't seen it cammed.
Go in the back so you just hear it real quick.
I just know it's loud.
This one's ridiculous, especially cold start. Oh. No. No. Is it dead? Oh, there you go. I know. It's shaking. What's up, G?
What's up, Habibi?
Parked next to that old American car over there.
Where? Is another American car?
Yeah.
No way. Sheesh. Where's the American cars at? Is there another Corvette?
Berg.
Sounds sick, huh? It sounds like a Mercedes.
Can I bring the R8?
The R8's,
You gotta bring this.
they got repo, G.
You gotta bring this.
Santa sleigh right here. Look at it.
Wanna drive it, Santa?
That has Santa.
You know, it's my coworker.
Santa's asking for the girls.
If you put him on camera 24/7, it'd go viral.
Really?
Santa, what you trying to get
Hey,
into?
what'd you do last night?
I just told that guy, what do you want for Christmas? He goes, a new phone.
Can I sit on Santa's lap?
No.
Okay.
Anyways, we made it to yet another Cars and Coffee. It's been early mornings every day, but we're gonna film this a little bit and then we might do some other stuff today. I also want to scare Sierra a little bit in the vet. I haven't stepped on it at all with him. He has not felt the power now that his cam is way faster now. He's been in his stock, but not like this. Kevin, of course, brought the E92 out. Should I launch it again? What the? If we would have a gingerbread cookie. What? Selling cars like this? You think you would be able to sell one?
Please do.
Hey, like, he gonna be like, hey, you gonna buy a car or not? You broke.
With the Rolex
All those
too?
Instagram idiots.
Oh my.
This is the main reason why I came, Chris. You get all the snacks. Damn! What should I get? There's a lot of stuff here. What are you asking for? He said I want a new job.
Can I get a Mercedes?
Yeah.
A GT?
GT.
Did you put all your weight on it?
Yeah, he was like,
He looked like he was struggling.
he was like, hey, man, get off me.
Bro, he said I gotta get a new job.
Yeah, he looked at me, he was like,
A wife,
I need him to solve all my problems.
out of debt. This one, I guess, is like 700K. Sorry, I know a lot of people are like, how do you not know what that is? But, bro, I don't really know. Is it a black series? Guys, there's this thing about me, look. I only know cars that I want in the future, you know? Cars that I know I'm gonna get one day. I don't think I'll ever own this car. I just don't personally like how it looks, so. I don't really know about it. I know this is an F8, because I want one, you see? Same with this, F8 Spider. GT TRS, I know everything about this, because I want one. That's one of my dream cars. And this thing is just beautiful. 750S. These ones have the one big exhaust in the middle. Oh, they put two of them though. No thanks. That's fire. And this shit's probably loud, I bet. What is it? Oh, it's Valvetronic. Shout out Valvetronic. I got Valvetronic exhaust on all my cars. And then the Revolto. This thing is also loud. I've heard it before. I've ripped it with this guy on the freeway before too, and he drives like a maniac, dude. He does not care. He would drive a Revolto just how I would drive it. All the blue guts, all the carbon everywhere. Literally everywhere. It's like little carbon trims, carbon right here. Carbon everywhere, dude. I need one, guys, one day. Huracan back there. Then they got heaters? Those bombs. It is cold today, guys. Yeah, I always see a lot of people like, yo, Nick doesn't know anything about cars. Bro, I just know about cars that I like, all right? Also, I know this one has a McLaren motor, right? Yup, look, McLaren. McLaren and a Benz. You guys wanna see something crazy? Remember I mentioned that Chris was selling this car? Oh, he sold it, and look at it. Someone bought it and they already modded it. They put a lip on it, they put new wheels on it, they lowered it a little bit, I think. Could go a little lower, but dude, it looks good. I told Chris, it might look better than when he had it.
$299.
Yeah, come buy it from Chris at Mercedes.
If that's how much it costs, I can afford it.
$299 a month's not bad for a Benz.
Oh, a month?
It looks better now, G. It looks sick. All I needed was a lip, bro. Like, that's the only thing I paid these things, a lip. I love that red too.
Lowered and wheels.
Bro, and you already did front mount intakes. That's fire, bro. I was trying to get Chris to mod this car for so long.
I could have for this.
I know he's trying to get this now. Rich. How much is that, bro? Someone told me it's over 150. Because you better not. I wouldn't even let you get this car for 150, G. You're tripping, bro. 167? Nah, I don't even want to look. It's not even worth it, bro. This car, max, should be 80K. I won't even pay that, I'm gonna be honest.
Let me test drive it.
You're not test driving shit, man.
Go, don't buy that car. I would get a G80 over that. I would get an M2 over that. I know you should buy it. My CS. It's for sale, G.
I was gonna get another F80 CS, but
Mine, bro. Oh, look, it's Peter.
I thought that for a second.
Peter!
What is Peter doing in the desert?
No way it's Peter's spec. Which is your favorite, G? Oh, shoot. Damn. Oh, boy, got hands.
Trying to show off her homegirl. Yeah, I'm taking that one. I'll take the road.
You could have the GT3G. We're on the hunt to find Chris a new car.
Yeah.
I don't like the Benz, and I think it's overpriced. 170 for a Benz? Oh, Chris wants a BMW. I think she got a G8. Or the M5, huh? This shit hard too. It's the same price as the freaking Benz you're trying to get. Nah, but 180 for that little
hoopty.
GT class? GT? I don't know. The Mercedes GT?
I heard they dropped in value though, like crazy.
But 180, you can almost get a freaking Huracan, I told Chris.
Test drive.
Which one is it? Oh,
This is a possibility for Chris. What do you guys think?
is it worth it?
I'm not gonna lie, I want it.
Is it worth it for the money?
The only thing, yeah, it's a really high spec. So I think it has like different wheels. They look like CS wheels. And then, I don't know what else. Carbon roof.
I can't even tell.
I would take this over the Benz. I don't know, we'll see. I think it's a test drive right now. I don't know, bro. No one likes it, but I like it. They don't like it.
I kind of do like it. I've never hated on the car.
Oh.
If you don't get it, I'll get it, G.
I know you can.
Yeah, you should sell your F80 and buy this car.
That'll be a sick upgrade. But then I have two of the same cars, kind of. This has a G80 engine. Unless I sell my G80 and get this. I put it in sport mode for you. Or we can go there and get you something. Porsche.
Honda.
I'm not at that level.
What about Honda? We'll get you a Honda Accord Sport.
Or a Chevy. You get a Corvette with me?
CO6?
Good or what? You like it?
We just got to test drive the M5 and I'm gonna pick.
M5.
You're gonna pick an M5 over this, bro.
The purple is honestly so like sexy and beautiful.
The M5's probably double, bro.
It's nice. I'm just too small.
Oh,
Too big.
It's not a good, back seat car at all.
I think I'm too big.
We'll see what Chris gets. I think he should get the M2, in my opinion. I think it's cool because not that many people have them too. Like, honestly, I don't know any homies that have M2, I think. Yeah, nobody. And I personally want one. But again, it's not my car. But I'm telling him, I think it's really sick. I still want one in the future. They're sick, they're fast. No one has them. You could do a lot of mods to them. I can't lie though, stock is ugly. I would definitely mod it right away. But I mod all my cars, that's why. But stock, hell no, I don't like the stock M2. It needs a lip, wheels, lowered, and that's it, that's all you need. What do you think about the Vet? You like it?
It's fire. The whole car's shaking.
It's so loud, bro. Where's Kevin at? I'm waiting for all the homies on the side of the freeway. They're taking forever. Why does the car shake so much?
What did you do to it? I don't know.
It's crazy, huh? Oh, this car is sick, dude.
Yeah, it is.
Does it feel faster than the R8? Yeah. It's a weird feeling because the R8 should be faster, but this doesn't feel fast. right, it's nighttime now, and you guys already know nighttime activities. We got the Aventador from last video here. Once again, this thing is super sick, sounds insane. Slammed. I love this car. He might let me drive it. Maybe we can convince him, hopefully, because I would love to drive this thing. It's freaking sick. Now I brought the McLaren out again. Kevin brought the Lime Rock. And I brought the G80 because Chris is in the back seat and he wouldn't fit in the R8. We all got G80s today.
I don't have it.
You gotta get one.
I know.
And you gotta get one.
Convincing me, Daniel with this Pitman. Look at that shit.
They're sick. What the? Oh, they shooting, bro.
Get down, get down.
We all got G80s, just different specs. Mine's all murdered out. Daniel's is purple, and then he got like the all gray and silver finish going on. You think he'll sell me the roll cage?
No, but I got a screwdriver in this man. It's not bolted yet. It's not bolted yet.
Really?
Yeah.
I really want this cage. And the seat delete. Okay. Shit's fire.
Wait, can I pick it up? No. No, I think it's bolted in like in one side.
And we need the buckets.
Damn, my bad. Rich. Let's see how much you filled up. 20 bucks. Let's go. It's like barely in anything.
Probably like over
93 bucks. 93 bucks for what? 18 gallons?
Maybach.
Rodeo.
Hey, sponsor? Red Bull?
Let's cruise Hollywood to the Rodeo.
No, happy. They sponsored me.
Red Bull, you guys listening?
Anita's.
Let's go to Anita's.
So we got a Maserati and a Sterato. Rock and roll, feel me? We got STOs, we got Steratos, Maseratis, Hot Wheels. So what type of engine is this?
It's a hybrid, bro. It's the new technology here, guys.
So
It's my icebox in there.
you have like a V6 or a V12 or V10?
Bro, I was really gonna get this car.
For real?
No, like, he was actually gonna sell you. It's already red.
No, it sounds sick, bro.
And bro, this one has like the highest carbon package. Like the roof, everything. Like not regular 577 on it.
We should buy it. Cash. Sell your chain and get this instead. Hey, just do this mod for your R8 doors.
Imagine.
You think they'll hate? Well, you guys hate him if he does that. It's the car wash guy.
You got like the sickest car here, I think. No, I swear, bro, I'm not joking. Like, look, we got McLaren. Those things break all the time. That Mercedes is overpriced. The Aventador is overhyped. My shit's slow. He's not even listening to me. Look at him. He's so mad. You're over me, huh? That's messed up.
Bro,
This plate, guys.
there's no plate on it. Why'd you take it? Oh my God.
Took his plate. He has no idea. We gotta hide it, like in my trunk. He gets
Bro.
pulled over.
That's messed up. Oh, what is it? Oh, SVJ. It's SVJ. It's SVJ.
An automated voice message.
What happened?
He's not picking it up.
He really got mad, huh?
Bro, Kevin actually went home because we took his license plate.
We took his plate and he went home, guys.
Oh my.
We can't bully Kevin no more, G.
Hey, but he can bully us?
What the kind of shit is that?
He doesn't like when it happens to him.
Hey, you have his plate though?
No, we left at the gas station. Just kidding. I have it. I have it. Guys, the freeway's about to be so loud right now. We got Ron's GT3 and we got the Aventador. Both straight pipe. See, now that got a lot of pop, bro. Everyone says my car has too many purples. I feel like if I had that car, bro,
Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.